Sleep is our body's liberation to peace. Sleep nourishes our body and mind. After a hard day of work, all we can think of is a cozy bed and a sound sleep. But are there times when you wake up the next morning feeling tired or having a headache, even when you have had a full night of sleep? Sometimes during the day you may feel fatigued, have mood swings, concentration issues, and sometimes you may even fall asleep unintentionally. We're talking about car accidents at daytime, lost productivity at work, and may even falling asleep in classes. Your snoring can be loud enough to be hearing across the walls, and sometimes you may even wake up gasping for air. This is obstructive sleep apnea, something you cannot simply ignore. Since your breathing is interrupting during the sleep and your body wakes up in numerous times, the oxygen levels in the body drop and carbon dioxide levels rise, affecting each and every organ in your body. In children especially, this can lead to learning behavior growth and heart problems. A dental sleep medicine expert can provide you with an effective solution and help you recover from obstructive sleep apnea or OSA. Dr. Raj, chairman of the Right Bite Craniofacial Pain Care, is the first AACP certified dental sleep medicine expert in India who has specialized from University of Tufts in Boston.
Sleep well, live well. That should be the motto of every human being. Because if you don't sleep well, you're going to feel tired, lethargic, the whole day is not functional enough. So, guess what? Snoring is the first symptom in obstructive sleep apnea. Snoring can be habitual, it can be pathological. How do you know? That's where we come into play. We advise a patient to undergo a sleep study, which is known as a PSG test. And once this PSG test, the results are out, we get to know whether that snoring is just habitual or part of a disease known as obstructive sleep apnea. So what is obstructive sleep apnea? When we fall asleep, all our muscles go flaccid, very weak, and you look down, you go to sleep. Due to gravity, the jaw falls back, the tongue that is attached to the jaw also falls back, and the airway gets compressed. This airway compression would stop us from breathing oxygen. If you don't get enough oxygen, there's going to be a buildup of carbon dioxide, and this leads to a situation known as a desaturation event. Now, these desaturations are very dangerous. So the brain senses this and it tells the tongue and the jaw, go forward. As it goes forward, you virtually clench or grind. So these are not good things. So the clenching and the grinding are actually a response mechanism of the human body to make sure you are alive. Also, what happens when there is a lack of oxygen in the body? It leads to another event known as hypoxia. And hypoxia leads to pain. So believe it or not, when we treat our patients at the Right Bite Craniofacial Pain Care Centers, we make sure that the patient also gets rid of the cause of that pain, which in our experience, 90% of the time is obstructive sleep apnea or any other sleeping disorders.
Almost 80% of patients suffering from temporomandibular joint disorder also suffer from OSA. Clenching and grinding of teeth during your sleep is often an indicator that your sleep is disturbed and you may wake up with a severe joint pain or headache.
It is important to understand that in most of the craniofacial pain and TMJ patients, there is always an associated silent killer, which is the obstructive sleep apnea. It often gets undiagnosed. So at the Right Bite Center, we have in-house CBCT for these patients, and we have an in-house GEMPRO sleep study which helps us in diagnosing whether the patient is clenching and bruxing at night. So with an overall preoperative assessment, we take the patient's treatment forward. The options available at the Right Bite are numerable. For example, we have the ALF appliance, we have the MSA appliance and the DNA appliance. These are all one of its kind treatments available exclusively in India by the Right Bite. So it's an amazing tools or appliances we have for our patients, especially suffering from sleep apnea, to treat non-surgically and precisely. Most patients get the advantages just beautifully just from the second day itself. They start feeling that once the appliances are placed into the mouth, they start getting the benefits of it from day one, sometimes in a couple of days. Since it is a holistic approach, it's also important that the team of doctors available with the RightBite work in sync with the medical specialties such as the physiotherapist, the chiropractors, the ENT doctors, the pulmonologist, and sometimes the psychotherapist as well, so that we can give a better treatment plan to the patient.
Now coming to the most important aspect, the treatment. There aren't any complicated procedures that you need to be stressed about here. The treatment offered is systematic, gradual and non-surgical. All it needs is your compliance.
Patients who are suffering with obstructive sleep apnea more often than not have a narrow or a constricted airway. Now the body's compensatory mechanism kicks in. That is, to open up the airway, it puts the head forwards. Now this forward head posture creates tremendous stress on the cervical muscles. Now the patient has developed cervical pain. That is why we ensure that we are working in tandem with a chiropractor or a physiotherapist who can treat such conditions. Now because so many muscles are involved, what should be the bite? A randomly protrusive bite will never work. It might even cause more pain to the patient. That is why the bite has to be a neuromuscular bite, which means bilaterally isotonic muscle-based bite. That is the neuromuscular bite. That is the RightBite.
Do you often get sleepless nights? Then probably it's time for you to get out of your bed and book an appointment with your sleep specialist right away. You deserve to be a winner every single morning, don't you?